I got that Peppa Pig's theme song stuck in my head. Happy Saturday. You ready to jam? You ready to jam with the keys? Because you got the keys? Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What sound does the cow make? You can say, what sound does the cow make? With a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo there. Here a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. What sound does chicken make? With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck cluck. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a dog, had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. What sound does a dog make? What does a dog say? Oh, good job! With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a wolf, there a wolf, everywhere a woof woof. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. What sound does the horse make? What does the horse say?
Neigh, neigh.
Oh, the neigh neigh here, the neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old McDonald had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. Forgot the song. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What sound does the sheep make? Close enough. With a ba-ba here, with a ba-ba there. Here about, there about, everywhere about. Old McDonald had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a unicorn, E-I-E-I-O. What sound does a unicorn make? What sound does a unicorn make? That is still a mystery to this day. What sound does a unicorn make? Oh, you're okay, baby. I know. Oh, well, old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Say bye. Okay.